Welcome to Second Life Upcycling. In this quick sewing tutorial, I'll show you how I upcycled an old curtain into a gardening tool belt. This was an easy upcycling project and is perfect for beginner sewers. And the great thing about using them for this upcycling project is that curtain fabric is tough and heavy duty. Let's get started. The first step was to cut off the tab tops. You could leave these on, but because I'm not very tall, the longer tabs would have made the belt too long for me. Next, I measured how wide I wanted the tool belt and cut the fabric to size. I pinned the tabs I cut off earlier, tucking them in between the two layers of fabric. This way I could adjust how long or short I wanted them. After pressing and pinning the raw seams inwards, I then top stitched around to create the new seams. Next, I measured and cut the top section which forms the pockets. This was then pinned and top stitched in place. Using gardening tools, I measured the width for the 3 pockets. I then marked where I needed to sew and it was over to the sewing machine again. And finally, I used my offcuts to create the belt, which is fed through the curtain tab tops at the top and ties up at the back. And here it is finished. I've still got more of the curtain left over, so I might make some gardening tool belts for my friends. I think I'll decorate them with ribbon binding though to make them look more appealing. I've still got plenty of the curtains left, so if you love upcycling ideas, check back to see how I repurpose the rest.